First, you need to confirm your Lenovo laptop supports USB-C charging. Check your laptop specifications to verify it has USB-C power delivery capability. Next, ensure your docking station provides adequate power output. Most Lenovo laptops require between 45 to 100 watts for proper charging through USB-C. Use a high-quality USB-C cable that supports power delivery. The cable should be USB-C 3.1 or higher specification to handle both data transfer and power delivery safely. Connect the docking station to power, then connect the USB-C cable from the docking station to your laptop's USB-C port. Look for charging indicators on your laptop. Configure optimal charging settings in Lenovo Vantage software. Setting a maximum charge threshold of 80% significantly extends battery lifespan for laptops used primarily at a desk. If you need to power USB peripherals while your laptop is off, enable Always On USB in the BIOS settings. This allows the docking station to provide power to connected devices even when the laptop is shut down. USB-C power delivery provides a convenient single-cable solution for charging your Lenovo laptop through a docking station. Proper setup ensures reliable charging while extending battery life through smart power management. For older Lenovo laptops or high-performance models requiring more than 100 watts of power, you'll need to use the proprietary charging connector method. First, identify your laptop's proprietary charging port. This port is typically rectangular in shape and located on the side or back of your laptop. Next, locate your Lenovo docking station. The docking station should have a matching proprietary connector that aligns with your laptop's charging port. Critical step: verify that the power specifications match exactly. Check your laptop's power requirements and ensure the docking station can provide adequate power. Now for the connection process. First, connect the docking station to a power source. Then carefully align the proprietary connector with your laptop's charging port. Finally, verify that charging has begun by checking your laptop's system indicators. Look for charging lights or on-screen notifications that confirm power is being delivered. This proprietary connector method is essential for older Lenovo laptops and high-performance models that require more than 100 watts of power, which exceeds current USB-C power delivery capabilities.